brisket. I got my barbecue shoe.
Welcome to BBQPitBoys.com. Today we're doing a pulled pork grilled cheese on the pit, and it's real easy to do. All right, just what I said, pulled pork, and we have ourselves a porker here, and we're gonna pull it, right? Now, technically, this is not pulled pork, right? Because that would come from the shoulder. But we're gonna pull it from the pig itself. We're gonna pull it, and it's gonna be good for a grilled cheese sandwich. First thing we're gonna do, of course, is get rid of that skin. We're gonna make some crackling, right? Throw it on the fire, get it nice and crispy. And here we're just gonna remove this real tender pork off this pig.
This is done.
Yeah, right.
That's shredded.
All right, pulled and ready. Now, this video here is all about the grilled cheese, so we've got a couple of different kinds of cheese here. Use your favorite cheese. Simple. You prepare this like you would any grilled cheese. Pull some cheese down first, pull some pulled pork on top, a little bit of your favorite barbecue sauce, more cheese. Press it down a little bit. Man, simple enough, right? Cheese, pulled pork, a little bit of sauce maybe, more cheese. Put that top layer of white bread on there, and you gotta have the white bread, right? Can you smell that?
Gotcha.
It smells good. And if you can't, you're on the wrong damn channel, as we say around here. All right, take a look at that. Lord have mercy. Now, this here is about the most famous sandwich you'll find on the planet, other than maybe a burger, right? We all love our grilled cheese sandwiches. All right. We're going to be eating good tonight, Martha. We've got jalapeno peppers. Use your favorite peppers, of course. All right, now, let's put this together. The first thing we're going to do. All right, let's give it a flip, because we're doing a double grilled cheese. You got to check this out. Just flip it. Brown it on the other side. Take your time, and this is what it's going to look like in a little bit. Oh my God. Lord have mercy. Now, we're going to make a double, so we're going to hit it with a little bit of cheese on the top. Once again. Easy enough. Let it melt a bit. Then flip it. You all know what we're doing, right? That. It's going to be crispy and nothing but cheese. Whoa. Nothing really more to say. Just watch. Lift it. A little bit more cheese. Go easy on that second layer of cheese, right? You want it to crisp up real nice on that black pan. Oh, yeah. Whip it again. There's never enough cheese. And don't let anybody tell you this is not good for you. The health nut zombies, they'll be pissing and moaning on this one. You can't do that. You want to bet? And in the miracle of time, these pulled pork grilled cheese sandwiches are done. Take a look at that. Hoo-wee. And of course, as always, we do apologize for eating in front of you like this, but we call this Pitmaster privilege. And if you want some of that Pitmaster privilege, you're going to have to make your own. Now, we'd appreciate it if you give us a thumbs up, you follow us, you sub us. We appreciate your support. We have over 15,000 chapters in 100 countries. Come over to our website and sign up. Proud to have you. So the next time you're looking for a recipe for your pit, check out BBQPitBoys.com.